Hi, I'm Dr. Meskin from Aesthetic Dental Centers. We run and operate 4 locations, 4 dental practices in northern New Jersey and upstate New York. I wanted to tell you how it all started. I graduated from Moscow Dental School many years ago, and I was one of the youngest persons ever graduated dental medical school. I was 20 years old. I worked in Moscow for a couple of years. We moved to the United States with my family, my wife and I. And so I entered at NYU Dental School, and I graduated in 1993. Did the residency at Brooklyn VA Medical Center. So I'm acutely aware how to treat the elderly people and how to treat handicapped people. After that, the question was, what do I do? We used to live in Brooklyn. We came with nothing. We had nothing. I worked in a couple of different places. Obviously, we saved some money, and we moved to New Jersey from Brooklyn. And at that moment, we decided to open up the dental practice to serve our patients, to do the best by them. The idea was to build the practice from the bottom up. We were thinking from the patient's perspective. What do we do? How do we do good by our patients? Because if we do good, they will be happy, the other patients will come, and we will continue serving the community. That was the goal. So I started with very small dental practice. I rented a couple of chairs. I had a landlord who was a dentist for many years. Slowly but surely, the idea of serving patients, building it from the bottom up and doing the best by them worked out. A lot of patients were coming in. They figured out about us. We decided to continue in this route. And so many years later, these 4 locations are preaching the same principles, and we're just doing the best, and we're trying to be more and more convenient for our clientele, and that pays off.